These are Ceria stabilized zirconia beads. Yellow, dense, perfectly spherical. Engineered grinding media that handle the toughest dispersion jobs in coatings, electronics, and ink production. Let's look at why they perform where other beads fail. 2 specifications make Ceria stabilized zirconia the reference media for high-energy milling. Density runs between 6.1 and 6.3 grams per cubic centimeter, nearly twice the density of zirconium silicate beads, which translates directly into stronger impact force at the same rotor speed. And Vickers hardness above 1100, equivalent to Mohs 9, means the bead resists surface wear under continuous operation. Together, these properties drive faster milling and cleaner slurry. The composition is roughly 80% zirconia, 20% cerium oxide. Cerium oxide is what stabilizes the tetragonal phase, locking the toughened crystal structure in place during repeated impact loading. Fracture toughness above 15 megapascal root meter and crush strength of at least 20 kilotons mean the bead does not shatter under high-energy collisions. This is what separates Ceria stabilized zirconia from glass and silicate media in demanding applications. Standard sizes run from 0.3 mm for the finest nanoscale dispersion work, all the way up to 3.2 mm for high-energy bead mills handling pigments and coatings. Diameter tolerance holds within plus or minus 0.02 to 0.03 mm, and sphericity stays above 0.98. Both of which keep the bead motion predictable inside the mill chamber and the particle size distribution of the output narrow. Modern UV inkjet printheads operate with nozzles in the tens of microns. Any oversized particle in the ink means a clog, and any contamination shed by the milling media ends up in that ink. 2 parameters matter here. First, density at 6.1 to 6.3 grams per cubic centimeter drives faster pigment deagglomeration to submicron size, shortening time to spec. Second, bead wear loss controlled below 0.01 kilograms per ton means the milling media itself contributes almost nothing to the ink particulate load. The result reported by ink manufacturers is straightforward: printhead cleaning cycles drop by over 40%, and color stability holds across long production runs. Service life is the parameter procurement teams care about. ADCERAX Ceria stabilized zirconia beads run 6 to 8 times longer than zirconium silicate beads, and over 30 times longer than glass. For a continuous ink production line, that means fewer changeovers, less downtime, more predictable scheduling, and significantly lower media cost per ton of finished product. The same density and low wear behavior makes Ceria stabilized zirconia the right choice for cosmetic powder formulation, where purity sets the spec. And for ceramic capacitor dielectric powders, where particle size distribution drives device yield. The bead is one part, the application is many.